What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to find out derivative of x squared times x minus 2 to the power of 7. And we have another example that we deal with it later on. So how do we do it? We need to use product rule and then we need to use chain rule. So uv, the derivative is going to be u prime v plus uv prime. So derivative of x squared is going to be 2x times x minus 2 to the power of 7 plus x squared times derivative of this part, which is going to be 7 times x minus 2 to the power of 6 times derivative of x minus 2, which is 1. So basically that's it. It's going to be 2x times x minus 2 to the power of 7 plus 7x squared x minus 2 to the power of 6. Next example is f of x equals to x times 2x minus 5 to the power of 3. When you have u times v to the power of, derivative of uv is going to be u prime v plus uv prime. So that's going to be derivative of x is 1 times 2x minus 5 to the power of 3 plus x times derivative of this part, which is going to be 3 times 2x minus 5 to the power of 2 times derivative of 2x minus 5, which is 2. So it's going to be 2x minus 5 to the power of 3 plus 6x times 2x minus 5 to the power of 2. So that's going to be the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can have access to many other videos regarding calculus, chemistry, and physics. Thank you for watching and have a great day.